Tapos ng show. I guess that's it. Uwi na ako.
Good morning. Today is my 4th day dito sa Singapore. Recap lang, first day, the Merlion statue. Yan yung pinaka main site na napuntahan ko. Second is the Sentosa Island. Actually, second and third day, both Sentosa Island. Nabitin ako nung una, kaya bumalik ulit ako. And it's worth the money kahit ang expensive. Today is the 4th day. And I'm planning to go at the museum, Singapore Museum. Gagawin ko muna ngayon is I'll do my bed, fix my bed, eat my breakfast, BBS, and then off we go. So see you later.
2 hours later.
Hi. Nandito ako ngayon sa National Museum of Singapore.
One heavyweight versus one lightweight.
Bawal mag-document, so saglit na video lang. Okay, I'm back. And katatapos lang mag-tour sa National Museum of Singapore. Maiksi lang din. Isa lang siyang gallery composed of the history of Singapore itself. Very educational naman at very interesting din. Mga artifacts, reproductions din. Katulad ng tank, reproductions lang yan. Ngayon nasa Fort Canning ako. It's a park. So, walk trip muna ako dito and we'll see where this leads to. Nandito ako ngayon sa streets ng Singapore. So, as I continue my vlog, my walk trip, puntahan ko yung places ng Riverside ng Singapore. Riverside! Kita yung Marina Sands Bay, di ba? Ayan, ito yung Clarke Quay. Nasa other side na ako, which is yung Clarke Quay Mall. Okay, dito ako sa Little India. The town is called Little India. Napabisit ako dito kasi I'm thirsty. I need some Indian drinks. The best of the best. Where can I buy Indian cold drinks? Cool drinks? Cold drinks, yeah. I'm thirsty. But inside the Kodak Indian hub. Cold drinks, Indian. I need something Indian and then cold. I'm thirsty. Nunari Serpad. What's the flavor? Lemon. Is it Indian? Is it good? Is it cold? Cold. How much for that? $3. Okay, one piece. Nunari Serpad. Dito ako ngayon sa isang small shop sa Little India. Ito yung mga kanilang menu. More on refreshments. So I just came to the right place. Wala rin tao. And ang in-order ko is lemon. Signature ng India. Ang tawag doon ay Nunari Serpad. Tamis. Wow. Iced lemon. May pagka-sugar, pero balance lang. Sarap. Refresh na ako, so balik na ulit ako sa aking train. Ito yung station natin. Hello, dito ako ngayon sa subway. Ang next kong destination is Gardens by the Bay. Doon muna ako tatambay. I think I'll stay there until nighttime para makita ko yung night show. It's one of the tourist spots dito sa Singapore at sana maabutan ko. Let's go! Nandito na ako ngayon sa Cloud Forest. Cloud Forest. Mabasa ako. Need natin mag-rush kasi minabol ako ng oras. Tour muna ako. Cloud Forest. Inside the dome. Ang ganda pag gabi. Nagiging vibrant lahat ng ilaw. Tapos pinapakita yung beautiful leaves, plants, gardens, trees, orchids. What's up? It's another day in Singapore. Ngayon, off day ko. Pahinga mode. Today I'm going shopping. Thrift shopping. Changi lang tayo. At bibili yung mga pasalubong for the family. All the stuffs here. Specifically dito sa Chinatown. Okay, nandito ako ngayon sa Chinatown. This is my street. Cute street. Let's go! Sa middle na tayo ng Chinatown. Madami pa ditong mga stores. Pasok tayo dito. Wala, meron ako nito. Dito ang mura. Pumili ako nito sa Singapore Flyer for $9. Mas mura dito. More shopping. Di pa ako tapos. I'm feeling this bucket hat. Bibilin ko pa. Dami nating binili. It's currently raining in Chinatown.
Good morning, Singapore. Last day ko na ngayon. Ano ba, nagawa ko na kasi lahat ng tourist attractions dito sa Singapore, and today it's gonna be different. Kain tayo sa mga fine cuisines, and we're headed to Boat Quay.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up? Dito ulit tayo sa Subway. Konting montage lang kasi ang cool ng Subway nila. So, medyo confusing at first. Kaya nagagamay ko na rin since isang linggo na rin ako dito. Tuloy tayo papuntang Boat Quay. Let's go! Dito na tayo sa streets ng Boat Quay. Boat Quay Street. Hey, what's up? Okay, I found the one. Dito na ako kakain. Yabay Izakaya. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let's eat. Chili sauce of Singapore. I'm not a fan of hot sauce, but I'll try one for Singapore. Hello. Sarap ng pagkain. Medyo late na rin ako natapos and currently umuulan dito sa Singapore. Nagpapatila na lang ng konti. I'm waiting for it to slow down kasi napakalakas ng rain. Yun. Food review. Rate ko sa crab oyster with rice, with free drinks, lahat yon for only 100 Singapore dollars. Rate ko 10 out of 10. Solid. Super duper solid. I'm thinking to go back to Merlion statue kasi na-miss ko. Dito na ulit ako, Merlion statue. Maulan. Saktong-sakto final day ko na. Ito yung Marina Sands Bay. And then, statue. Bye-bye, Singapore! Uwi na ako. Yo. What's up? Another day. Pero, yung another day na yun, last day ko na sa Singapore. I'm actually at the airport, Singapore Changi Airport. Maya ng aking flight and this is my last words dito. Ano ba ang aking farewell message? I had so much fun, especially nung day 1. Day 1 is very special kasi nakakamangha. Makita ko first time yung Merlion statue and binisit ko ulit kahapon, which is my last day there sa Merlion Park, and it was amazing. It was unbelievable, surreal moment for me kasi first time ko rin mag-travel international. Wala lang masabi. Thank you for watching my video. Kung umabot kayo hanggang dito, I want to say thank you so much and ayan, until next time. Bye-bye.